Comp and Lit 1 students. I forgot to get this uploaded yesterday, so I'm kind of doing a really quick one right here to explain how to do your at-home test for your nonfiction cubing and chunking worksheet. So I have pulled up here, actually I wanted to show you where it's at in the actual Schoology page, but it's under literature, this assignment, and it's under nonfiction selection 3. And you'll see there are two things in that folder. One is the article that you're going to read, and one is the worksheet. Really simple. We've done this quite a few times, but I want to run through a couple things just to be sure you know what's going on. So I'm going to get in a little corner here and take a look. So here is the article. When you open it up, you'll notice the citations up here so you can see where it comes from. That's going to be important on your worksheet. This is the title right here by Grace Chen, and this is from publicschoolreview.com. It's a web news article, like it says right here. So your first chunk, this is the part that I thought might be a little confusing to you. It is, you're going to chunk this, and you're supposed to have at least 3 items in each box, so you can point out a couple things like what are you seeing in the picture? What is it kind of like, how is it representing the article? The picture is going to be an important part of the article. Hopefully they chose one that represents what they're going to talk about well, and you can talk about this little kind of explainer caption for this picture too. And then chunk 2 is a shorter one that's like kind of a preview of the article, and then so on and so forth through chunk 3 and chunk 4, etc. Okay, chunk 5 and 6. There you go. Pretty short article, really easy to get through. So when you're actually on the worksheet here, you have, don't forget this right here. This is going to be points. That you have the title of it right here, that you have the medium, which is that web news article thing, and the source, which is, I can't remember the name of it, but it was on there and the thing at the very top of the page. Each one of these boxes needs 3 points or 3 valid notes in it, or you don't get points for that section right there. Same with this. Each of these, at least three valid notes per box, and it tells you, first describe it, compare, contrast, put in here who that you're comparing or contrasting it to, or what. Either one. It could be a different controversy, or it could be, something like that. And then the compare and contrast section, of course. Why was it published? Don't forget this section. People forget it a lot. Analyze. You have these 3 that you put in the middle of that right there. It gives a beginning and end, what happened in between. And then, of course, the cubing. And there's some pretty good leading questions on here to get you through it. So this is worth more points than the other 2 combined. So make sure you take your time on it. Get it done right. If you have any questions, you can ask me. You should not be copying what other people say. This is a test, so you should be it's a super easy test too. So you should just write down your own information and stuff like that. So have a great day. Once I figure out how to stop it. No, I'm not going to edit this part off here. I don't care. I'm just going to leave all this extra stuff on. Get this nice little fountain in the background. There we go. All right, bye.